And just like that, you've officially leveled up from checkout field newbie to customization ninja. Let's do a victory lap, shall we? Lesson 1. You learned why tweaking checkout fields is a game changer. Lesson 2. You set up the plugin like a pro, no sweat. Lesson 3. You became a field whisperer, moving, hiding, and renaming fields like it's second nature. Lesson 4. You tamed the core fields. No more billing address chaos. Lesson 5. You drop custom fields faster than a mic at a rap battle. Need a birthday field? Boom. Preferred emoji? Done. And lesson 6, you mastered validation. No more fake it nope emails slipping through. Your checkout's now smoother than a latte art heart. Oh, what's next? Go play. Experiment. Turn that default checkout into a conversion machine. And hey, if you forget how to add a field, just rewatch lesson 5. We won't judge. We've all been there. Thanks for hanging out. Now go make those checkouts unforgettable. And remember, when in doubt, edit fields, not vibes. Catch you in the next course.